I don't know. I think yeah, it's still hailing. If it hits your foot, it really hurts. It's been mostly cloud to cloud lightning, not cloud to ground. And it just started hailing like, I don't know, 2 minutes ago. And the temperature probably dropped like 10 degrees when it started hailing. It was 82 and now it's 76, but I don't think the thermometers even registered. Stop, buddy. Woo, it's cold. But there's not, the winds aren't bad. You know, the winds aren't bad at all, but it's obviously a pretty substantial cell. Watch out.
Why? They got the falling meaning I like it is.
Because it's hailing.
No. What does hailing mean?
Hail is ice falling from the clouds.
Why?
Well, when thunderstorms get really strong, the wind currents bring the rain up and down and up and down, and they get cold, and then they fall down and form ice pellets like this. See?
Oh, yeah. Can I eat it?
Yeah, you can eat it. It's gonna taste like water. Lightning. It's not that dark over this way. I mean, overall, it was a lot darker earlier. It's kind of interesting that it's hailing now. Storm sewer is flooding over there.
Every time if you eat it, it feels like water, right? Yes. I'm gonna get that one.
Woo! Yeah, I mean the wind. Look at the flag. It's not that windy at all. So, anyways, it's still a nice phenomena. Yeah, I think the hail's gone. Just rain now.
Okay,